Hello drone friends, this is Alan at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning, happy almost Halloween. Welcome to another week here in drone industry land. I've got a few stories to share with you this week and I'm going to jump right in. Teal Drones announced that it has secured a $1 million contract with U.S. Customs and Border Protection. What this means is Teal Drones will supply the U.S. Border Patrol with its Golden Eagle drones for aerial research, surveillance, and tracking purposes. The Golden Eagle is on that DoD Blue UAS list, which is a list of drones we've talked about before that are approved by the federal government to use. The contract is part of a bigger deal U.S. Customs and Border Protection has made with 5 different drone companies. And get this, that total deal is worth about $90 million. All 5 companies are on that Blue UAS list. Teal in particular was acquired by Red Cat Holdings in 2021 and has rapidly raised their activity with defense and law enforcement clients since then. All right, next up, Drone Industry Insights released the 5th edition of its annual market map. This market map shows all the major players in the drone industry. Companies are broken into 3 categories: hardware, software, and services. One thing that stands out right away is how many companies there are. This year's report contains a total of 1,076 companies, almost 400 more than were in the 2019 report. Of all the companies, 38% are drone service providers, showing that services represents a strong segment of the industry. Another interesting fact is when comparing countries, the US is home to the most drone companies in the world with 31% of the total list. And hey, check this out. If you look real close at the Education Simulation Training Group, you'll see little old us. Thank you to Drone Industry Insights for including us in your list this year. Lastly, a little FPV or first-person view eye candy for you from a drone content creator who goes by the name of Blaster. In this video, a drone flies up a waterfall and then submerges into the water. There are 2 things I love about this video. One is the creativity and just phenomenally ballsy kind of flying required to get these shots. The other is that you're getting some behind-the-scenes footage as well. At one point in the video, the pilot talks to his drone after he lands, and he says something like, "I just fell into a waterfall, and it's here. You're here. You worked, and you're fine. Oh my God." I'm just blown away by this video. And it turns out a couple of different drones were used, the Dex Hydro H and the Deep 6 drone. And you can see what both of those look like in the video as well. For what it's worth, the pilot also states in a YouTube comment, "I spent years practicing in controlled environments to learn the behavior of each drone in water before I attempted anything in this video. Because of that experience and practice, not a single drone was lost or damaged during the making of this." Kudos to you, sir, and giving you mad props for this video. Thanks for sharing your creativity with the world. All right, that's all we have for you this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Show us some love by subscribing to our YouTube channel and commenting below. Have a great weekend, a great Halloween, and as always, wishing all of you drone pilots out there blue skies and safe flying. We'll see you next week.